Starting your business. Open your bank account online without hassle. Starting a new business is exciting. The ideas, the plans, and the vision of growth. But alongside the thrill comes the practical side, setting up your finances. One of the first and most important steps for any entrepreneur is opening a business bank account. In the past, this process required multiple visits to a branch, endless paperwork, and days of waiting. Today, with digital banking, entrepreneurs can open a business account online without the hassle, often within minutes. This article will walk you through why you need a business account, the benefits of online banking, what you need to prepare, and how to choose the right bank for your business journey. Why do you need a business bank account? If you are just starting out, you may be tempted to run your business finances through your personal account. While it may seem convenient, this creates several problems. 1. Mixing finances. Combining personal and business transactions makes bookkeeping confusing and tax filing complicated. 2. Professionalism. A business account shows customers, suppliers, and partners that you are running a legitimate enterprise. 3. Growth and scaling. As your business grows, you'll need tools like merchant services, payroll, and credit facilities, all of which require a proper business account. 4. Legal compliance. In many countries, business entities like LLCs, corporations, and partnerships are required to have a separate bank account. Simply put, a dedicated business bank account lays the foundation for financial clarity and growth. Why open your business account online? Technology has transformed how entrepreneurs manage money. Online business account opening saves time and effort compared to traditional methods. Here are the main benefits. 1. Convenience. No need to take time off your busy schedule to visit a branch. You can apply from home, office, or even on the go. 2. Speed. Many digital banks approve accounts within minutes or hours compared to days with traditional banks. 3. Reduced paperwork. Upload documents online instead of submitting physical copies. 4. 24/7 access. Manage your account, track expenses, and pay vendors anytime through mobile or desktop apps. 5. Better tools for entrepreneurs online. Banks often integrate with accounting software, invoicing platforms, and payment gateways. What you need before applying. Even though the process is online, you'll still need to provide information and documents. Preparing them in advance will make your application smooth. Business information. Your legal business name, address, and contact details. Business type. Whether you're sole proprietor, LLC, partnership, or corporation. Registration documents, articles of incorporation, business license, or partnership agreement. Tax identification number. 10. Employer ID number. Required in most countries. Personal identification. A government-issued ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Proof of address. Utility bill, lease agreement, or other official document. For freelancers or sole proprietors, requirements are often simpler, usually just proof of identity and business activity. Step-by-step guide to opening a business account online. 1. Research your options. Compare online banks, digital-first financial platforms, and traditional banks offering online applications. Look at FEs, account features, customer service, and integration with your business tools. 2. Choose the right account type. Some banks offer multiple business Account options. For example, basic business checking for small startups, premium accounts with higher transaction limits, specialized accounts with merchant services, foreign currency or credit lines. 3. Complete the application form. Fill in your personal and business details. Ensure accuracy, as inconsistencies may delay approval. 4. Upload required documents. Scan or photograph your documents and upload them securely through the bank's platform. 5. Verification process. The bank may perform identity checks, business verification, or credit screening. Many use instant digital verification, while some may take a few hours or days. 6. Approval and account setup. Once approved, you'll receive your account number, online login, and sometimes even instant access to a digital debit card. 7. Fund your account and start using it. Deposit an initial balance if required and begin making transactions. Most online banks offer features like invoicing, expense categorization, and integrations from day one. How to choose the right bank for your business. Not all business accounts are created equal. Consider these factors when choosing. Low fees. Look for minimal or no monthly maintenance fees, especially when starting out. Transaction limits. Check withdrawal, deposit, and transfer limits. Online tools. Does the bank integrate with platforms like QuickBooks, PayPal, or Shopify? Customer support. A dedicated business helpline or chat support can save you time. Global access. If you plan to serve international clients, choose a bank that offers multi-currency accounts, credit, and funding options. Some banks provide easier access to small business loans or credit cards. Tips for smooth online banking. Separate your expenses. Use your business account only for business-related income and expenses. Leverage digital tools. Automate invoicing, set up recurring payments, and track expenses through your banking dashboard. Stay secure. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication and avoid logging in from public Wi-Fi. Plan for growth. Choose a bank that can scale with you, offering advanced features as your business expands. Final thoughts. Starting a business is challenging enough. Don't let banking become another obstacle. Thanks to digital transformation, opening a business bank account online is now fast, simple, and stress-free. With just a few clicks, you can have a professional account set up, ready to receive payments, manage expenses, and help your business grow. A good business bank account doesn't just hold your money, it empowers you with financial tools, clarity, and credibility. By separating your personal and business finances from the beginning, you'll set yourself up for smoother operations, easier tax management, and stronger business growth. So, if you're starting your business, don't delay this crucial step. Open your bank account online today and focus your energy where it matters most, building your dream business. Thanks for watching.